Hi, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2022 Chevy 1500 pickup. One of the things we do here at 3D Auto Repair is we do work closely with several of the collision repair centers in our area as far as doing alignments and helping them diagnose suspension damage due to car accidents. This particular one, they couldn't figure out why the driver's side wheel was pointing out a lot to the left. We talked to them about it, got some information as far as where the vehicle was hit, kind of what went on, what repairs they did, and then did some of our own diagnosing. When the vehicle got hit, the wheel got impacted and it caused the camber caster bolts to be damaged, causing the vehicle to be out of alignment, and it also bent the lower control arm on that side. Some of those things can be very difficult to diagnose because a lot of these control arms come with some bends in them, and figuring out what's bent more than it should be versus what's normal can be a little bit of a challenge, especially on some of these newer vehicles. We were able to get the parts we needed, get the vehicle put back into shape, get the alignment done on it for this particular collision center, and they were happy we were not only able to figure out what was going on, but also get it repaired in a timely manner. So if you have a vehicle that maybe has been in an accident, still not quite driving right, not really sure what to do or why it's doing that, that's something that we do excel at here, is suspension diagnosis and repair. We do offer free estimates. My name is Dan. Thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.